If you go to download an app or make an in-app purchase, but it says there's a billing problem with your app store, I'm going to walk you through the two options you have to be able to definitely get that fixed. Now, it usually looks like this. It pops up with something that says there's a billing problem with a previous purchase or with this purchase. Let's hop out here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. The first potential issue is with your screen time. So scroll down and tap on Screen Time, and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. You can see if any of these are set to Don't Allow, make sure to switch these to Allow. Keep in mind you might need to enter in a screen time passcode to do this, and while you're at it, I would just turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow to the beginning, tap on your name at the top of your settings, tap on Media and Purchases towards the bottom, and then tap on View Account. From here, tap on Payment Methods for your App Store, and then tap on Add a Payment Method. Make sure that you enter in a correct and valid credit card or debit card, or of course a PayPal account, in addition to the number CVV and your billing address associated with your current country, and that billing problem will be resolved. I hope this helps. I know your day is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one.